Hey, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we'll be creating a Git repository by initializing an empty repository. Now, this is the first technique of the three techniques we discussed in an earlier lecture. So, let's see where we are using the pwd command. So, we are in the user's home directory /git fast. Okay, let's create a directory using the mkdir command. Let's name our directory my repo. So repo is in short for repository, my repo from scratch. So this will remind us what kind of Git project is this. So let's press enter and the directory is supposed to have been created. Let's cd into this directory my repo. So there is a convenient tool where you can get an auto completion of the name of folders or files and even commands that you type. So I have typed cd my re. Now if I press tab, I'll get auto completed the name of the folder that I have created. So let's cd into it. Okay, so let's see what this directory contains. Of course, it is supposed to contain nothing, but we'll still check it. So ls-l will list whatever the contents of that directory. So it says there is nothing within the directory. Now let's issue the git init command. Okay, so Git says that it has initialized an empty repository in c:users hppc, which is the user's home directory or my home directory, git fast my repo from scratch .git. Now let's check the contents of the directory using ls-al command. Notice that we are using -al or -al. So this actually lists all the directories including hidden directories. So now you can see here the .git directory has been created appropriately. So this means that we have created a Git repository from scratch, or we have initialized an empty Git repository. Now let's create few files within this directory. So we can use the echo command for that purpose. So echo, this is my first file using echo command. Okay, and let's output the content within a file named first file using echo.txt. Let's press enter and we'll do an ls to list the contents, and you can see successfully the file has been created. We can check the contents of the file also using the cat command. We'll again use the auto completion feature by pressing tab. So the cat commands outputs the contents of the file, first file using echo.txt. Let's clear the screen using the clear command. Now we'll create a second file using the vi editor or the vi command. Vi second file using vi.txt. Okay, so the file is a new one, so it contains nothing. Let's press the I on the keyboard and that will allow us to insert some contents. So let's press some simple contents. This is the second file using vi editor. We'll press the escape key :WQ. So here you can see what I have actually typed out. So WQ means you quit the editor after saving the contents of the file. Press enter. Now let's check whether the contents of the file has been saved successfully or not. We'll use a cat command for that. Press tab for auto completion. Press enter and here it outputs the content of the file, second file using vi.txt. And if we type ls-al, you can see the contents of the entire Git repository.